Yeah, let's get these shorts. I'm kind of liking the shorts now. Hello, hello, hello. Can you guys hear me?
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, that works.
Can you guys hear me?
Echo. All right, we're looking for some shorts here on NQ. I'm kind of getting a little aggressive because I'm just trying to get in here, but I'm not sure if we're going to drop immediately right here, but we're inside of our weekly inverse fair value gap, which is this orange shaded area. So I'm pretty keen on some shorts. We're only, right now at the midpoint, consequent encroachment of it. So I still really like this setup. We had a little bit of a pump, but still liking these shorts so far. So because if we take a look here at the, I'll put it on the hourly so you can see. Here's our weekly inverse fair value gap that we're inside of. We're kind of inside of this hourly supply zone kind of order block right here. So as we're in here inside of this weekly inverse fair value gap, I'm pretty sure we're going to be grabbing some shorts. So I'm in these shorts. Let's get it. Let's get it. These shorts looking like we could get a nice push here. I just want to see it invalidate this 1 minute bullish order block right here. And so we can kind of break through this and we see some strong, swift movement down. We're good. Just got to play it a little tight here. So I'm going to put maybe we'll put our stop around here. That's going to be just so we can see if this range has kind of balanced out our previous range on our hourly. So we should have a little aggressive in these shorts, but it's because in this mitigation here, I'm kind of saying that this is balanced now, this price range. There's no reason for us to go up anymore. And we should be now seeking sell side all the way down to even, you know, this should be the ultimate draw on liquidity, this weekly zone down here. So this price range should be completely balanced at this point. We've mitigated all the imbalances here. So we should be dropping from here now. This lines up perfectly with our weekly inverse fair value gap. And then also you can see these 4-hour lower time frame zones. So it's looking pretty good for the shorts right here. And I'm up about 40 ticks right now. Good $400. Let's get it. Yeah, I'm liking this. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Damn. We up good 700 right here. Bangers right now. We're up 80 ticks. Good short. I think this could be the start of the ultimate drop right here. We got to just see it maintain now. Since we're really scoped in, we're on the 1 minute. This is still a 5 minute imbalance right here. So we got to see this stuff start to get invalidated here. So this kind of imbalance, this order block area right here, we got to see this get sliced through. But I like how on the 1 minute so far, we're not respecting these bullish points of interest. So we got to keep respecting the downside and slice through right here. But this isn't even too strong, this chop right here. So I really do like this. Damn, we pumping here. Let's fucking go. We up 120 ticks here, guys. $1,200. I'm gonna ride these all the way down. Let's fucking get it. Dubs, 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 dubs. Let's fucking go. This is the beginning of it right here, though. I mean, we ultimately should be able to swing this all the way down if this is going to be respecting here. So I'm not going to get too excited. I'm going to trail my stop around with this because I want to catch a large move down. Let's go. Let's go. We have 135 ticks so far. Let's go. 150 ticks so far. I'm gonna hold these honestly because we already took out London highs. We already kind of balanced out this price range we should. So we could aim for London lows here because we already took it out immediately on New York Open here. So if this really is gonna be balanced here and dropping from this, we should be dropping I mean, first TP based on the hourly, we could do this swing low here. So that could be first TP. Even right here, this order block right here, this could be a really good safe take profit. Just going down from entry to the wick of that order block would be still 227 ticks. Not the open, the high of it. You go to the open of the body, consequent encroachment, the close of the body, the swing low, this imbalance. There's a lot of ways you can kind of move around your take profit and stuff like that and scaling, but it's just about where you think the ultimate draw is and how confident you are on the move. Like if I'm really confident the draw on liquidity is all the way down here, I'll probably hold it. That's really far fetched for this point right now because that's such a large move. I mean, about 2,000 ticks. So there's going to be a lot of fluctuation on the way down there, yeah, but you could be cutting it early. I'm trying to give you an example because like there's areas you can cut early if you're not really super confident. You want to just scalp it. You can just scalp it right down to the high of an order block or something like that, just to grab your cash in between and not be holding too long. But we're up good 1,100 right now, 1,200. Good 120 ticks so far. So let's keep going with this. Stops are right up here, pretty tight. Only a 70 tick stop, 74 tick-ish around there. Just because I wanted to see, once again, I thought that this mitigation up here, this push, was just to balance out that price range and drop. But we'll see. We got to see this 5-minute imbalance now kind of just get ripped through. Then we'll be good. We haven't really had a 5-minute break of structure yet. Like I said, we're just gotten into this 5-minute imbalance. That's why, looking at the 1-minute, it's kind of tough, going here and doing like a market structure shift, because that's really scoped in on the 1-minute. That's why I wouldn't really look at these areas, because when you're looking at the higher time frame, 5-minute, that's like, so that's too scoped in, it's pointless. Let's get it. Just gonna hold these. Fucking bangers. Come on. I want to hold this all the way. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. Let's see if this range is gonna expand down again. We might reach up into this imbalance right here. Looking freaking good. Up 1,500 here. $160 ticks. Shoot, 170. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's see. 5-minute. We're looking really nice here. Looking really good. And let's not get too cocky on this trade. I just like the I want to see that since like I said, we're in our weekly inverse fair value gap. Our next draw on liquidity is going to be, so this is what I'm basing it around right here. So this was a bullish fair value gap that we've created, price dropped, pushed, created this imbalance, price came into it and we pushed up from it. We created this swing high, and as we came down, we had this bullish fair value gap that we invalidated. We shot down from it, making that an inversion that we've maintained. And then this zone here is turning into an inversion as well, because this now is a bullish fair value gap that's now getting sliced through. And as we're coming below it, as we come up back into it, we're using it as support now, or resistance, I mean, to push us back down. So as we push up into it, we mitigated more than consequent encroachment of it. So I think that should be completely mitigated at this point. Yeah, we're dropping 216 ticks. So I think that this price range really is balanced. So at this point, ultimate take profit will be at this low, even this low. I'm not sure where we could reach for today, but 250 ticks, guys, bangers. Let's go. We up 250 ticks. Still printing. Yup, 280 ticks. Damn. This is a banger. We up on the morning, 280 on the morning so far. Bangers over here. Let's get it. Join me, guys, live on YouTube. Bangers over here. Get it. Let's fucking go. That's crazy. 300 ticks on the day. That's crazy. 300 ticks on the day, all on the YouTube stream, guys. Tap in. Join me next stream. Let's get it. Damn, I can't even pay attention. I'm fucking this first stream. We're doing bangers, guys. 330 so far. Let's go. This is wild. I'm holding this sucker. We have 3K so far this morning. It's a good morning. It's a good morning if you ask me. Damn. All right, I'm getting ready to cut it here soon. I don't want to get too cocky. We're up huge. So I am getting ready to trim soon. Let's just see. This is gonna be a great run, but I'll probably cut it here. I don't want to get too greedy at this point. We're already at 300 ticks, so uh I might just cut it here, guys. Might just cut one here. I'm gonna buy one limit here. And then at this point, after I get my buy limit, I'm gonna trail my stop down to profits and then just let it run if we can get that. This is a good point where we can get, take one off. If I was in more, we could maybe take more off there, but I'm only in with two. Let's see. But I really do like that. I could hold this longer too because this 5 minute, I like how we invalidated now and we have this inversion on. So I'm going to take these off. These are a little ugly. This was our hourly, this small one. I was kind of watching as we went up. This 4 hours where I really wanted to see the reaction. But we came a little above that 4 hour, tapped into that 1 hour, still inside our weekly inverse, and we just shot from it. So currently gonna keep holding. We've invalidated this imbalance. We dropped from it, and we're now inside of here. We're inside of still our 15-minute range imbalance. So not on the 15-minute, invalidate anything yet. On the 5 though, we do have this. So we can be kind of looking at this as a mitigation block, kind of like a bearish breaker, low high, lower low. Also, we have this inversion fair value gap here too, just to keep our eyes on. If you want to get maybe secondary entry, you can grab it up in here in this premium. GG. GG no re. So yeah, I'm gonna get out soon. I could get out here, but I want to hold a little more. See if we can squeak out a little more profits here. Um, Honestly, I think I'm gonna just cut it. I'm cool with my 3K here. I don't want to risk it. GG. GG. I'm cutting it there. 300 ticks on the day, about 308, 307. This is still gonna run. I'm very confident in that. But I just want to cut it there. Maybe. Yeah. That's cool for me on the day. 3K on the day is I'm done. I don't need to hold any more than that. We're still in this 15-minute imbalance. We might want to push a little more from there. But I'm still pretty confident that we're going to be dropping. We invalidated this 5 minute and we're kind of shooting down from it. But that's it for me. I mean, you just need to get in, get out, and get your green, get out. You really don't need to be trading all day. You can see I've done this in 1 hour. I got on here at 6:30, been trading for about an hour, and got my 3K profits and just hop out, be done for the day. So that's really what it's about. It's not about just taking trades left and right, looking for multiple setups all day. It's just about, setting your goals, hitting your goals, and being done. So I'm gonna call it there. That's good enough for me. Like I said, it's definitely, I know draw liquidity is still down, that weekly zone I showed you down here, and we got quite a ways to go still. But I'm cool with my profits right here. I got some other work to do. So, but yeah, GG guys, tap in. We're gonna be doing these pretty frequently on the YouTube. So let's keep it up. And yeah, so we're here to help you guys grow, fucking learn this shit, and want to help you guys, get out of the rat race and just be financially free. So that's the goal. Let's get it. Peace.